install the driver from ATEN's website for UC232A. Actually, it's quite easy. Let's go to the browser. We type UC232A, hit enter, get to the link, and then we scroll down a little bit. I exit this, click support and download. Find the driver for the macOS and make sure it's the latest version. Click download and place it on your desktop. Double click to run the installation. Click continue, install. When you see this, you click open system settings and make sure you enable these two. Again, done. Right now, you don't need to restart your computer yet. Simply get to your terminal and you type ls/dev, enter. And you can scroll up. Right here, you'll find tty.uc-232AC110. The name varies, it depends on the driver, but definitely you'll find the device listed. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.